You want to scream as loud as you can?
I'm not that loud.
Just try your best. I'm gonna take full blame.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Ah!
All right, I'm not gonna lie. I am part of it, but I know 2 other people. I could snitch.
Why is he videoing this right now?
Because in America, it's in our First Amendment
It
right.
is not in a place of business. You are so wrong. Hey, yo!
Steve, right there. I promise you, with every bone in my body.
I'm trying to buy a dog toy and I'm getting like accused right now. Like, what's going on here? You saying this is me?
Okay, to be honest, dude, it was me. It was like both of us. Steve, it was all of us.